Welcome back to my channel, folks, where I show you how we grow from seed to harvest indoors all year round. In this episode, watercress. Any used takeout container will do just fine. I prefer the rotisserie chicken container because it has a high clear top. Peat pellets, you can get them at any local hardware store. Watercress seeds, you can get them online, eBay or Amazon. Soak your pellets in a little water, and in no time they'll plump right up. Next, break up the pellets. I use 10 pellets for this size container. Make sure you got about 1 inch of peat moss on the bottom of the tray. Carefully spread your seeds. Next, give them a little spritz of water. Place next to a sunny window. Watercress are slow starters. Today, we're gonna transplant. We're gonna take a chopstick, break up the peat moss, separate about 5 or 6 in a bunch. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them in the water to get the roots clean, so I can go ahead and set them in the pool noodle. Shout out to Mr. Van Doozy, the pool noodle master. Check him out on YouTube. So all we're gonna do is set this sprout in this pool noodle. Make sure the taproot is long enough so when I set it in the system, it'll touch the water. Making sure to check the pH every 2 to 3 days. Make sure it's hovering around 5.8. I have 45 holes to plant with 5 to 6 sprouts in each hole. It's roughly 225 sprouts in a 3 feet by 5 feet space. Scientists say this is a superfood, which helps you fight cancer and a whole bunch of other stuff. You can look it up online. It's awesome. Day 28, the Watercress Grow Series. The roots are looking awesome and everything is moving along just fine. Once you set it in this system, all you gotta do is sit back and watch the grow show. Make sure you check your pH every once in a while, that it's hovering around 5.8. And did you know that watercress is one of the most nutritious vegetables on the planet? As far as nutrients, I'm using Master Blend at 1/3 strength. Just 42 days. Indoor hydroponic farming. I'm just humbled to share the technique of growing indoors with other people. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Please like, subscribe, and share. It helps out my channel, and thank you for watching.